Which steam cleaner is actually good? Simple question, but you need to dig a bit deeper for the answer. Today, I'm breaking down 5 excellent options that can help you keep your car and home spotless. Product number 1, Fuet Handheld Steam Cleaner. First up, we have the Fuet Pressurized Handheld Multi-Surface Natural Steam Cleaner, priced around $63.35. What caught my attention is its powerful steam and the 12 accessories that come with it. If you want a versatile cleaner for home use in your car, this is worth a serious look. This steamer heats up in just 3-5 minutes, releasing pressurized steam at 230 for 8-12 minutes. That means you can tackle everything from your kitchen counters to your car upholstery with ease. It's chemical-free, which is a huge bonus, especially if you have pets or kids running around. With over 6,000 units sold recently, it's clear that folks are loving this steamer. Now, some people did mention that the safety cap can be tricky to open after use. It requires a bit of patience. Here's the thing though, if you read the instructions carefully and let it cool down, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly steam cleaner that works on multiple surfaces. Skip this one if you need something more heavy-duty for industrial use. For the price, it delivers solid value. Now, if that safety cap issue made you hesitant, the next one on my list might actually be even better for your cleaning needs. Product number 2, BISSELL Little Green Hydro Steam. Next, we have the BISSELL Little Green Hydro Steam, a portable carpet and upholstery cleaner. It's a bit pricier than the last one, but its hydro steam technology is impressive. If you're dealing with tough stains, this one's definitely worth checking out. What sets this cleaner apart is its ability to tackle set-in stains with powerful suction and steam, combined with an oxy formula. You can expect your upholstery to dry in just about 30 minutes, which is fantastic if you need a quick refresh. Plus, it features 3 cleaning modes, making it super versatile for everything from carpets to auto interiors. With over 4,000 sold recently, it's clear that many are finding success with this cleaner. However, some reviewers pointed out that it can be a bit heavy at 13 pounds. While that might be tiring for extended use, the cleaning results can really outweigh that concern. This is perfect for you if you have pets and frequently need to deal with stains. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight. The effectiveness in stain removal makes it worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next product on my list might actually tackle those stubborn stains even better. Product number 3, WSRYYCC Portable Steamer. Now let's talk about the WSRYYCC Portable Steamer, an affordable option at around $76.02. What really caught my eye is its rapid heating time of just 15 seconds. If you need something that works fast, this one's for you. It also features 6 levels of steam intensity, letting you customize your clean based on what you're tackling, whether it's your car's tires or delicate upholstery. With over 3,000 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among buyers. Now, a few people mentioned that the steam hose could be a little short at 4.92 feet. This might restrict mobility during cleaning. But honestly, the steam power and adjustable settings can make up for that limitation. This is perfect for you if you want a steamer that heats up super fast and is great for various surfaces. Skip this if you need a longer reach for extensive cleaning. Considering the price and features, it's a solid choice for home and car cleaning. Now, if you want something with even more versatility, this next one might catch your attention. Product number 4, AirOpper Handheld Steamer. Next up is the AirOpper Handheld Steamer, also priced at $76.02. This one's all about versatility with a large 1,600 ml tank. If you need an efficient solution for big jobs, this might be your go-to. What's impressive is the rapid 15-second heat-up time and the 138-inch reach, allowing you to clean virtually anywhere without needing to move the base unit. It comes with a 17-piece tool kit for a variety of cleaning tasks, from grout to upholstery. With 1,000 sold in the past month, it's gaining popularity fast. However, some users found it could feel a bit bulky for extended use. If you're someone who prefers lightweight equipment, this might be an issue. But I'll be real with you, the cleaning power and range can make it worth that slight inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful steamer that can tackle extensive cleaning tasks. Skip this if you're looking for something more compact. For the range and tools it offers, it's a great value. Now, if you want something that's a bit more specialized, check out our next option. Product number 5. Wagner Spraytech C9000054. Finally, we have the Wagner Spraytech C9000054, priced at $141.91. This one caught my attention for its high-temperature steam capabilities at 212 degrees F, which can really tackle tough grime. It's a bit on the higher end, but if you're serious about cleaning, let me tell you why it's worth considering. It includes 12 accessories to deal with everything from upholstery to hard surfaces. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clearly a favorite among those who want a thorough clean. A downside is that it requires distilled water, which can be a hassle for some. But honestly, if you're looking for deeper cleaning and better results, it's a small price to pay. This is perfect for you if you need a heavy-duty cleaner that can handle various surfaces effortlessly. Skip this if you want something ultra-portable. For the thoroughness it provides, it's worth the investment. So there you have it, 5 fantastic steam cleaners for your home and car. We covered the budget-friendly Fuat, the stain-fighting power of the BISSELL, the rapid heating WSRYYCC, the versatile Airopper, and the heavy-duty Wagner. Each has its strengths and is suited for different needs. Think about your specific cleaning challenges and you're sure to find the right fit. Happy cleaning!